Adam Wallace, Keller Williams Realty, coming to you from a townhome new construction in my area. This unit is upgraded, has wood flooring, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops. It's 2,153 square feet. As you walk into this open concept. So if you do a lot of entertaining, it's excellent because you're not separated from the rest of the action. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Standard is going for $284,990. This is the pantry back here. Check out the backsplash. If you'd like more information about this community, you can reach out to me at 941-536-4351. Half bath downstairs. Your laundry room. Again, this unit is 2,153 square feet, going for $284,990. This community is going to have 112 units. It's about 50% built out. It is a maintenance-free community. Wood flooring extends all the way up the stairs. The builder is offering incentives to use their lender to close. So if you'd like assistance with closing costs, they are offering that right now. Bonus room upstairs as you walk up to the second floor. Your guest bedrooms are going to be off here to the right. Again, this unit has quartz countertops. It's upgraded. This is the guest bath. Dual sinks. Your first guest bedroom. Set up as an office with a butler area and wine rack. Your second guest bedroom. Again, if you'd like more information about the location of this community, reach me at 941-536-4351. Back to the bonus room. Now we're heading into the master. Again, this unit is 2,153 square feet. This is an energy efficient unit. Does have a 15-year warranty, builder warranty with it. Your master bath, dual sinks. Stand-up shower, large walk-in shower. Your water closet. Look at the size of this walk-in closet. Again, this unit is going for $284,990 standard. This one is upgraded with wood flooring, quartz countertops. Standard is marble, or standard is granite. Standard is granite and ceramic tile throughout. This one's upgraded with wood and also with the quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Again, we come down to the open floor plan. There is a 2-car garage that leads out to the 2-car garage. Your front door is over there. Again, reach out to me at 941-536-4351. Adam Wallace with Keller Williams Realty. This builder is offering incentives for closing costs. First available unit would be around March.